Hello, I'm Ben Tennyson. We are now ready for the next part. Now, we'll talk about the operating systems of Macintosh. The original Macintosh system software and Finder that was released in 1984. Apple debuted the operating system that is now known as the classic Mac OS with its release of the original Macintosh system software. The Macintosh operating systems share a common set of graphics user interface principles, including a menu bar across the top of the screen, the Finder shell, featuring a desktop metaphor that represents files and applications using icons, and relates concepts like directories and file deletion to real-world objects like folders and a trash can, and overlapping windows for multitasking. Next, the Mac OS 9, which was further released in 1999. Apple rebranded it as Mac OS in 1996, due in part to its Macintosh clone program that ended a year later. And the latest ones is Mac OS 10, with X marks the spot. This one is the current Mac operating system that officially succeeded the classic Mac OS in 2001, as seen in iMac G3. Mac OS 10 has some numerous versions that we together list them in series. Mac OS 10.0, codenamed Cheetah. Mac OS 10.1, codenamed Puma. Mac OS 10.2, codenamed Jaguar. Mac OS 10.3, codenamed Panther. Mac OS 10.4, codenamed Tiger. Mac OS 10.5, codenamed Leopard. Mac OS 10.6, codenamed Snow Leopard. Mac OS 10.7, codenamed Lion. Mac OS 10.8, codenamed Mountain Lion. Mac OS 10.9, codenamed Mavericks. Mac OS 10.10, codenamed Yosemite. Mac OS 10.11, codenamed El Capitan. Mac OS 10.12, codenamed Sierra. Mac OS 10.13, codenamed High Sierra. Mac OS 10.14, codenamed Mojave. And Mac OS 10.15, codenamed Catalina. We now have a voice in Mac OS 10 using Siri Voice. We can play sounds in different languages, different accents, and different voices depending on its genders, male and female. Here's the demo.
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
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 I'm Siri, your virtual assistant. I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
You can also activate Hey Siri voice in some hardware devices like an iPhone and iPad, having an operating system iOS, just like you learned about Cortana in Microsoft Windows. Any other assistants you want to know? Also, Google Assistant in Android devices, Alexa in sound system called Amazon Echo and others, which are called voice activation systems. The voice system responds if you have input a command with your voice, then the system gives you answer for the following output. If you like to see more, you can learn other systems. Like, comment, and subscribe now.